Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about a skincare product. This product, it's by the brand Cosrx, which is a famous Korean brand which went viral all over the world because of this single product. Of course, they came up with other products after this which also went viral, but this was that one product which took all over the world and became the cult favorite of skincare junkies. If this product was human, it would be the kinds to make the parents proud. It's such a good product, it's very difficult to find the negatives in this one. We all know what this is. It's the advanced snail mucin, which claims to have 96% of snail secretion filtrate, which locks in the moisture and hydrates the skin, prevents skin barrier. How does it do it? This product contains hyaluronic acid, peptides, and humectants, which locks in the moisture, protects your skin barrier, and soothes your skin, and also improves the texture of the skin over the time. I've been using this for 4 months now. I'm about to finish this product. See how little is left. And I can tell you it's really worth the hype. I'm not paid for this video, there's no partnership at all. This is my pure honest review. It works like magic from the first use itself. I bought this when my skin was at its worst this year. About 4 months back, I was not sleeping properly, I was not eating properly, my water intake was very low, my sleep quality was not good, and stress levels were high. All those components are still the same, but this one product has made considerable amount of difference. How my skin was so dull, so dehydrated and dry. I was completely dependent on Max Stroke cream. Every single day I used to use it to look little presentable, and this I've been using consistently for 4 months, both day and night, and it gives nice natural glow, a slight plump to the skin, it hydrates, and it has actually improved my skin texture over time. You see, I have these little bumps, these red bumps here, both the sides, but these here is visible more because of the light. I got these 13 to 14 years back because of sun damage, and I've used n number of products. I've not been able to cure this, and I've not been able to reverse it. But ever since I started using snail mucin, it did not make these bumps go away completely, but it has reduced the bumps, improved the skin texture, and also the redness is gone. That redness that comes with the bump, it's gone because of the snail mucin. I was honestly very skeptical when I bought this product. I had seen so many videos, good videos of people going gaga over it, and then videos where people got allergy and reactions and breakouts because of this product, and I was very scared because my skin is very sensitive, and I've had reactions earlier which I don't want to even remember. So then earlier this year, I decided to see a dermatologist on my next visit to India. And then this one day, I was randomly strolling around the store and I came across this product. I was skeptical, but I thought maybe I give it a try. If I get even a slightest of the reaction, I will stop using this product. And I'm telling you, since the first use itself, I could see this nice glow. I could feel this product soothing my skin. I'm gonna also tell you one thing. Every time I remove my facial hair, my upper lips or my eyebrows, every time I remove my facial hair by shaving or by threading, the skin gets sensitive, right? Because the razor does not just remove your hair, it also removes a part of the topmost layer of your skin and the dead cells, and that irritates and disturbs the skin barrier. So every time I shave or thread, within the first 24 hours, if I put anything on the skin, most of the products cause slight to a lot of irritation. For example, God forbids if by chance, by mistake, I use glycolic acid, oh my god, I'm dead. It stings like anything, it burns like anything, it turns my skin red. It's horrible. Normally, every time after shaving, I apply aloe vera and I leave it for about 15-20 minutes. But in case I'm in a hurry or anything happens and I'm not able to apply aloe vera, if I apply this, I'm confident about this product that will not irritate my skin. I immediately feel the soothing effect it has on my skin. It does not cause redness, it does not cause irritation, it does not cause any burning sensation or any sensation for that matter. Now, coming to the packaging, it's a plastic bottle that looks like a glass bottle, comes with the cap that prevents the pump. It's really nice because most of these products that come with the cap, I lose the cap halfway through the product and I lose the cap, and then it becomes very difficult to travel with that product. But this one, I've traveled with it so many times, I've not lost the cap. It's, I don't know, the cap is also very good quality. So you get 100 ml of product in one bottle. The backside doesn't say much, it just says apply evenly to face. Okay. Now, why I give credit to this product for my skin improvement is because all the other components I mentioned before are still the same, and all my skincare regime is still the same. It's just this one product that I changed, slashed, introduced into my skincare regime, and it made a world of a difference. Will I be buying this again? No, not right now, because I want to try the snail mucin cream that they've come up with. It is said that the cream gives more hydration than this. I'm already imagining more glow on my face. So I want to try the cream first. And once I finish the cream, I want to try the combo of this essence and the cream together. And imagine the kind of hydration it would give the skin. I think that combo would be bomb. I'm going to show you how it feels on the skin now. I'm going to do a hand swatch. Not exactly a swatch, but I'm going to show you how it feels, how the texture feels on the hand first. And then later, towards the end of the video, I'm going to insert a clip where I actually put it on my face. I'm gonna wash my face, I'm gonna double cleanse my face, and then pat it dry and straight go in with this product. I normally use a toner first. Whether toners are good or not, that's debatable, and I'll do another video about it. But for the sake of this video, I'm gonna show you on my bare skin the effect it has. One single use, the effect it has, the glow that it gives, the kind of hydration that it gives. You'll see. So now I'm going to use it on my hand and show you the texture. The texture is gooey, but once it gets absorbed into the skin, it's totally non-sticky. Now it has absorbed in my skin. See, there are no streaks anymore. And now I'm going to show you this hand and this hand. See, the lighting is a problem, but you see it feels more hydrated than this one. This one feels dry. This one has a nice hydration to it. It's shining. It's literally shining. And feels very soft. Next, I'm gonna show you how it looks and feels on my skin, on my face.